Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how to install Cursor AI on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Cursor AI on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next I want you to go to the official website of Cursor. So just search for cursor.com on your search bar. And once you're on the website, I want you to scroll down until you see the download options right here. So here, you'll notice that the download options are separated based on operating system, such as Windows and Mac OS. So all you have to do is focus on the section that matches the operating system of your device and download the version from there. In my case, I'm using Windows PC, so I will download in this section. So when selecting a version, you'll usually see options such as ARM and 64-bit. If you already know which one your device uses, simply download that version. But if you're not sure, most modern Windows PCs and laptops use the 64-bit version, so that's usually the one you'll want to choose. And you'll also notice options for user and system installations. For most people, either option will work fine. But if you're the only person using the computer, the user version is usually enough. However, if multiple people use the same device and you want everyone to have access to the software, then you may want to choose the system version instead. In my case, I will choose user. After that, the installer file for Cursor will now start downloading. Just wait for this to be finished. And once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file to start the installation process. And then the setup wizard will appear on your screen. So right here, you can simply click Next through the setup steps. If you're asked to choose an installation location, you can either keep the default location or select a different folder if you prefer, but most of the time, it's fine to leave it at default. And once you reach the final step, click Install to begin installing Cursor on your computer. After that, just wait for the installation process to finish. This should only take a few moments depending on your device. And once the installation is complete, you can click Finish to close the setup wizard. Cursor should now launch automatically, but if it doesn't, you can simply open it from your desktop shortcut or Start menu. And when opening Cursor for the first time, you may be asked to sign in or create an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just sign in. And then that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Cursor on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.